Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm also fine. Thank you.
Ma'am, do you have your lunch?
Yes. Now, what about you all? Had your lunch, right?
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
No. You people are you all feeling hungry without having the lunch? No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, after this period, just go run and have your lunch. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Adar.
Ma'am, you said you will send. Ma'am.
What is that? I did not hear. Wait 1 second. I cannot hear you. In the beginning.
You said you will send the note, but in the WhatsApp group it's not there.
I told I will be sending the notes of division to fraction, right? It was division to fraction. I mean decimal to fraction, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today I will send, okay?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
I mean, the last time I was telling the answer, the phone's charge got finished, so the phone got off.
Okay, it's okay. We'll continue with the workbook problems. We're doing our workbook, isn't it?
Yes,
All of you take your workbook. Did you see the timetable of PT2? Have you all seen the timetable of PT2?
Yes.
Okay, when is maths?
31st.
31st. Maths is on 31st, isn't it? And what are the portions? Fraction 1, fraction 2, fraction
Decimals.
and decimals. 3 chapters are there, isn't it? So we will try to finish our decimals chapter today. And in the next class onwards, we will start our revision. Do you remember fractions?
Good morning, ma'am. Yes,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
But here it's good morning.
Oh, you are there outside, not in India. Okay. Okay, children. So shall we continue with our workbook problems? We were on, all of you take your workbook. We were in page number.
Ma'am, it's on 30.
Page number
40, ma'am. Page number
40.
40. 40.
Page number 40. Yeah. In my book, it is the page number is given differently. We were on in question number. Well, question number 12. Convert the decimal into a fraction, isn't it? Okay. I'm going to just I'll just mute you all. Some sort of disturbances are there. Okay, I have muted everybody now. We were doing question number 12. Till 11th we have finished and we have to start with question number 12. Right. Now I will call. No. Then where? Janvi?
Ma'am, I think we finished 12.
12 is over. We have to start with question number 13. Is it right now? Yes. Okay. So we have to start with question number 13. Convert the fractions into decimals. 5 3/10. That is a question given, right? Yes. Okay. The page number is different in my book, but the questions are same. Now I'm going to share the board and I'm going to call out a name. Question number we are doing. 1 second. Workbook. Page number 50. We have to start with question number 13. In 13th question number A is 5 3/10. you have to convert this fraction into decimal. A whole number is also given and a fraction is given, and that fraction is to be converted into decimal. Let me start with Adidev. Adidev MB.
Yes, ma'am.
5 3 by 10. Convert into decimal, my dear.
Ma'am, 5.3.
Good. 5 point. It is 3 by 10. The denominator is 10. That means after the point, there should be only one digit. And this digit will directly move to the ones place. I mean 10th place. So 5.3. Good. Good, Adidev. Now question number B. It is 2 3 by 100. 2 3 by 100. Advaita Sanish. 2 3 by 100.
2.03.
Yes, 2.03. Good. Good, dear. So 2 is a whole number. So after 2, we have to put a point. Then 3 by 100 is a fraction given. And the denominator is 100. 100 has 2 digits. So after the point, there should be 2 digits, isn't it? And this 3 will directly move to the 100th place, and nothing is there in the 10th. So you have to put a 0. So it will be 2.03. So question number 13 is over. Now we are moving to question number 14. 14th is easy, very easy, right? Because conversion of decimal to fraction is very easy. 7.09 is to be converted into fraction. Pranav.
709 by 100.
Yes, without the point, you have to write the numbers together, 709. And since after the point, there are 2 digits, the denominator will be 100. Now B. Don't mute. 7.90. Prarthana.
790 by 100.
Yes. 790 by 100. Again, after the point, there are 2 digits. So there it should be 100 in the denominator. Good, children. So question number 14 is also over. Now we will move to question number 15. Question number 15. The expansion is given, isn't it? So first we will, 4 questions are there. First, we will write the places. After the point, before the point, the places are ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 10,000 is also there. For this question, it is 1000. Okay. So after the point, Sri Rugda. After the point, what are the places, dear? Sri Rugda.
Yes,
What are the places after the point?
Ma'am, 10, 100 and 1000.
Yes. 10th, 10th, 100 and 1000. Okay. Okay. Now tell me the first digit 2, where it will go? Under which place?
1000.
Under
Place.
1000. Before the point, no? 1000. Yes. 2 will be here under 1000. And the next 2?
100.
100. 1. 1 will be?
Ma'am, 10.
10. 1 will be in 10. 1 into 10. So 1 will be in 10. 10th place. Then plus 3 into 1.
3 in one's place.
1's place. It is direct question. You have to put a point. Then 9 into 1 by 10.
Ma'am, the 10th place.
9 will be in the 10th and 3 will be in the
100.
100. So this is the decimal number. So what is it? Just read the decimal number, dear.
2213.93.
93. Good. Good, Sri. That's in the second one. Again, I am going to write the places. You also write the places, children, otherwise you will get mistake. 10,000. Then after the point, it is 10th, 100th, and 1000th. Now, Achyut. Question number B.
Ma'am, I don't have my book.
You don't have the book. Okay, I am going to write the question here then. Where is your book?
Ma'am, I am in another house because of network issues.
Okay. So I'm going to write the question here. 4 into 10,000 plus 3 into 1,000 plus 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 4 into 1 plus 1 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. So where this 4 will go?
Ma'am, 10,000 please.
10,000. What about 3?
Hundreds please. Yeah, ma'am?
1 second. It is 1,000. 2 3s are there.
1,000 please.
3 will be in the 1,000 place. Next 3?
In hundreds please.
Hundreds place. All the places are given. 2?
10th place.
Tens. 4?
Ones.
Ones. Point. Next 1 is in
10th.
10th. 3 is in
100th.
100th. So what is the number now? What is the number you got? Read the number, Achyut.
43,324.13.
Okay, good. 43,324.13. Now see. So all the places are given, all the numbers are given. C and D you can do as homework. Do it now. You can do it as homework. Otherwise, we will not be able to finish it. Yes, Mayasa is having some doubt. Mayasa?
Ma'am, I joined late because my computer has some issues. Could you repeat what I should do?
We are doing page number 50. Workbook page number 50. We have started with question number 13.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we are in page number 51. Question number 15. A and B is already done. And C and D, you can do it fastly. Now. Then we will move to 16th one. I want to finish this chapter today. Then we can start our revision. Niran, have you done? Just tell me the answer of C. What is the answer you got? Read the number that you have got.
4,101 point
4,100.
4,111.33.
Is it 11? We will write it. 1 second, Niran. I'm going to write the places here. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Then after it, after the point, it is 10th, 100th, and 1,000th. Okay. Now, the first number 4 will be in
thousand place.
Thousands. 1. Next number 1. 1 into 100. So 1 will go in
Hundreds place.
hundreds place. Next one. 1 into 10.
Tenth place.
Tens place. Then 3 into 1. So which number will
Ones
go?
place.
Which number will go in the ones place? 3 or 1?
3.
3. 3 will go in
Three.
ones place. Then point. Point 3, 3. Now read the number.
4113.33.
3, 3. Yes. Okay. So 4,113.33. Okay, Niran. Good. Now the last one. Catherine, what is the number you got in the last one?
Ma'am,
Yes.
7,464.41.
7,464. Wait, I'm going to write the places. Let us check then. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Then 10th, 100th, 1,000. Okay.
Excuse
First
me,
number.
ma'am, there's a mistake.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay. Okay, just tell me.
7,000.
7 will be in the thousands place, right? Next number 4.
4 in the hundreds place.
Yes.
6 in the tens place.
Okay.
0 will be in the ones place.
Point.
4 in the 10th place and
Yes.
1 in the 100th place.
1 in the 100th place. Whether it will be 1 in the 100th place, just check. Check once again.
Ma'am, 5.
5. 5 in the 100th place. So what is the number you got now?
7,460.45.
Yes, 7,460.45. Yes. Okay. So you have to write the places. If you will not write the place, you will get mistakes. Okay. So whenever you will write the decimal number from the expansion, you have to write all the places and then you have to check in which place each digit lies and then you have to write. Otherwise, you will get mistake. Okay. So now moving to question number 16. 1 we will do. Then other 3 you can do it now by yourself. Then from 17th onwards, we will start doing after 2 minutes. 2 minutes will be given. But the first one we will do now. 16A. Niran has got a chance. Sri Rugda. Wait. You went first one. 16th A. Expansion.
Okay, ma'am. 9,542.33.
Yes. Say the expansion. Expand it.
Okay, ma'am.
9 into?
9 into 1,000
Yes. 9 into 1,000.
plus
Plus
5
5.
into 100
Yes.
plus
Yes.
4 into 10 plus
Yes.
2 into 1
Yes. Plus.
plus 3
Mm.
into 1 by
Yes. 1 by?
100. Sorry, ma'am, 10.
3 into 1 by 10 plus?
Plus 3 into 1 by 100.
Yes. Okay. Good. Okay, children. So 2 minutes for doing it. After that, we will discuss the answers and then we will move to question number 17. Yes, Janvi.
Ma'am, in the 16th question D, in my book, it has no dot in between.
Yeah, in my book also it's not dot. Anybody in anybody's book point is there? If no point is there, we will put a point. Check question number D. Whether any point is given, no point. Shall we put a point somewhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Do one thing. We will put a point in question number D. It's a big number. Without the point, we will put a point somewhere. We will put a point after 9. Put a point after 9. So with the first number, you have to write 1000. If it is 10,000, you have to write all the digits has to be taken, and it will go like in order: 1000, 100, 10, 1, then 1 by 10th, 1 by 100th, like that. 2 minutes for doing it. Complete it, children. Let me take the attendance by the time. Then we will discuss the 17th one. Evelyn, I've seen you the first time. I mean, in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Where were you?
I couldn't join some classes.
What is the reason? Did you go anywhere?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, children. Then we will move to, have you all finished? Have you all finished, children? It is easy, right? Expansion is easy. From the expansion, when you will write the decimal, you have to write the places and then you have to write the digits in each place. Okay, otherwise you will get mistake. It will not be continuous. It will not be in order sometimes. Here it is given in order. In most of the questions, it is given in order, but during the exam, it might not be in order. So you have to write the places, you have to check and you have to do. Okay. Now we will move to question number 17. Manish and Ravi represented the colored part of the figure as given. Manish has written 4/10. Ravi has written 0.04. Whose representation is correct? So first we will write the representation. We will write that fraction. Let me ask to question number. We are going to do question number 17. Janvi,
Yes,
a
ma'am.
figure is given, isn't it? A
Yes,
rectangle is divided into some pieces and some are shaded. Some are colored. Okay, what will be the fraction for that colored part?
4/10.
4 are shaded out of 10. So 4/10 is the fraction given. And what will be the decimal number for this fraction? 4/10. How you will write in decimal number?
Ma'am, we should write the places.
Places. Okay, if you want, you can write the places. Or else, after the point, how many digits should be there? It is 4/1 digit. Since it is 10, the denominator is 10 and 10 has only 1 0. There should be only one place after the point. So what will be that digit after the point?
4.
4. So no whole number is given. So in place of whole number, what you will put?
0.
0. So what is the decimal number you got now?
0.4.
0.4. This is the fraction and this is the decimal. So Manish has written the fraction and Ravi has written the decimal. Whose is correct?
Ma'am, Manish.
Manish is correct. Manish representation is correct. Ravi's is wrong, isn't it? He has
Yes, ma'am.
written in decimal, it should be 0.4, but he has written 0.04. So it is wrong. Okay, good, Janvi. So what you will write there? Representation of Manish is correct. Whose representation is correct? That is the question. So representation of Manish is correct. If you want, you can write the fraction and the decimal, and you can write on the side the representation of Manish is correct. Right, by 4/10 is equal to 0.4. What happened, Yuvan? Yuvan is becoming very restless today. What happened? Feeling hungry? Are you feeling hungry, Yuvan? No. Then what happened?
Ma'am, I have corona.
Oh, is it? Oh, so you have cold now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay. Don't worry, everything will be all right. Okay, Yuvan.
Yeah, ma'am.
If you want, you can just switch off the camera if you want. Video can be kept off. Okay, if you are not well. Okay, children. Now moving to question number 18. Question number 18, bag 1 contains, express the weight as decimal. Bag 1, the fraction is given as 75/10 kg. you have to convert into decimals. Bag 2 is given as 63 by 10 kg. Just convert into decimals. Joyrick. Joyrick?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Express the first one. Bag 1 in as decimal. 75 by 10 kg.
Okay, ma'am. Seven. Ma'am, I have to
Yes.
expand it.
No. You have to express in decimals. Just the decimal number has to be told. It is 75 by 10.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
after the point, how many digits should be there?
1 digit.
1 digit. So after the point, only 1 digit should be there. And 75 is the number. So which will go there after the point?
1. No, ma'am. 5.
5. The last number will go to that place. And what about the other number?
Before the 7 in one's place.
7 in 1's place before the point. So the number will be 7.5 kg. Okay, Joyrick. Next one, back 2. Advaita got a chance. Who has not got? Janvi has got a chance. Hail Teresa. 63 by 10 kg.
6.3.
Yes, good. 6.3. It is by 10. So after the point, again, only 1 digit should be there. The last digit will go to that curve. 6 will become a whole number. Say 6.3 kg. Now question number 19. Given below is the distance between the houses of some students from their school. Express the distances in kilogram. I mean kilometer. So it is given in meter and you have to convert into kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? One kilometer is equal to how many meters? How many of you remember? Vedika, 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters, dear?
1000 meters.
1000 meters. Good. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Here, meter is given and you have to convert into kilogram, kilometer, isn't it? So 1 meter will be 1 by 1000 kilometer. When the bigger will be converted into smaller, you have to multiply. When the smaller will be converted into bigger one, you have to divide, isn't it? Last year you might have learned. Do you remember? So this is the thing. Now, in question number A, Sharon, no? Sharon's distance. So it should be converted into meters are given and you have to convert into kilometer. So you have to divide by 1000. So the first one we will do together on the board. 6740 by 1000 is equal to. Now one of you just make it into decimal. Convert into decimal. 1000 has 3 zeros. Alex Princeton. Unmute, dear. Alex. Okay, I did not get. So let me, Hazel, unmute Hazel.
Yes, ma'am.
6,740 divided by 1,000. You have to convert into decimals. How you will convert it?
After the point, we should name 3 places.
Ah, very good. So the denominator is 1,000. Since the denominator is 1,000, after the point, there should be 3 digits. 10th, 100th, and 1,000. So now, Hazel,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you have to do? Where the last digit will go?
In the 1,000th place.
Yes, the last digit will directly move to the last place, 0. What about 4?
4 in the 100th place.
100th place. Good. Then?
And 7 in the 10th place.
7 in the 10th place. 1 digit is left over there, 6.
And 6 in 1's place.
Yes, 6 will become a whole number. Since 1,000 has 3 zeros, 3 digits should be there after the point, and the last digit will directly move to the last place. So 0, 4, and 7 will be after the point. So it is converted into kilometer now. Now read the number, read the decimal number you got.
6.740 kilometer.
Yes, good. 6.740 kilometer. Now we will move to the next one. B. Nisha. The meters are given 8,824 meters. It is to be converted into kilometer. Let me, Srenga.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can. Convert into decimal, dear. Convert into kilometer.
Ma'am, 8.824
Yes, good. 8.824 kilometer. For 1,000, there are 3 zeros. So the last 3 digits will move to the decimal part, and the leftover will become the whole number, whole part. Okay, good. Now see. Aditi. (7,548 meter). Arjun Vinayak. Yes. To convert into kilometer, what do you have to do, dear?
Draw 3 places.
Yes. It should be divided in by 1,000. Then what will be the final answer?
It will be 7.58.
Yes, 7.548 kilometer. So the last 3 digits will move to the decimal part. Okay, good. Good, Arjun. Now the last question. D. Arun, 6,998. Janvi got a chance. The person who did not get a chance. Mayasa. Okay.
Ma'am, 6,998
8
by
meters. Yes. 6,998 by 1,000. To convert into kilometer, you have to divide by 1,000. Now,
ma'am, 6.998 kilometer.
yes, 6.998 kilometer. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the thing. So 1,000 has 3 zeros and the last 3 digits will move to the decimal part and the remaining will be in the whole part. Okay. Now question number 20. The time is up, right? Oh God. So the next one, question number 20, you can do it as homework now. 20, 21 and 22. Children, just check whether you are able to do or not. If any problem is there, you can just send me a message or in the next class we will do. Okay. Just try to do by yourself. And in the next class, if you are able to do everything by yourself, in the next class, we will start our revision of fraction 1. Okay, dears. So the time is up. I'm going to wind up the class.
Bye.
Thank you, children.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.